I have many options in Land Manager when working with guidance tracks. When working with guidance tracks, the first thing to do is select a drop down for the field. So you can see active boundaries, inactive boundaries, along with any active guidance tracks. We can see there are currently 4 active tracks for this field, 2 adaptive curves, and 2 straight AB lines. We can see the name of each line. Also, if you select at the field level the ShowHide icon, it will show the current boundary for the field as well as all of the active guidance tracks. We can choose the ShowHide for both the individual boundary as well as individual guidance tracks. So now I'm currently only showing my 2 straight AB lines and I've hidden my adaptive curves. When looking at an adaptive curve, we simply have the ability to archive the adaptive curve or click on the field details, select edit in the bottom right corner, and change the name of the track. Straight AB lines have more options. Again, we can archive the line if it is unneeded. We also have the ability to copy the line to another field. This may come in handy if you have 2 fields that are side by side that currently have different AB lines and you would like to use the same line for both fields. If you would like to copy, simply click the copy button, choose the new track to copy the line to, enter a new name for the line, and select save. The line will now be copied to the other field and will exist in both fields, but again, they could have a different name. We can see South Backfield 40 is the name of the original line, and I can name the copy whatever works best for the new field. I also have the ability to go to the details and edit information. Will not typically be used, but you could adjust the latitude, longitude, and heading of the line or the B point, but in most cases we will simply be changing the name of the track to better fit the field. Again, I can show and hide the line if desired to determine where that line currently resides in the field. There is also the ability to view the heading and also the last modified date. Last modified date could be modified in Operations Center. It could also be modified in the display. So if you used a line for planting and you shifted the line and made a modification to it, when the line comes back into Operations Center through an upload of a setup file, you would see the last modified date is the current planting date. Notice within Land Manager there is also a measurement tool that allows you to measure both distance and area. If I simply want to measure from one end of the field to the other, I can create 2 points and see the total distance is 701 feet. If I continue to click more points and draw a polygon, it will give me the total distance of all line segments along with an area inside the polygon. Once complete with the measurement tool, select the icon again to hide. If you would like to create a report for operators in the display, we can select all fields, select Export, and create a PDF. Wait for the PDF report to generate, and it should download in the bottom left corner of the screen. Click on the PDF, and a summary will be open to show an overview of all fields in the organization, and then one page for each field showing a Google Earth image of the field, the current active boundary, along with the guidance tracks in the field, what they are named, and located in the field. It also shows headings for the field. From here, you could simply click on the print icon to print this out or share it. Once complete, close out at the top to return to Land Manager.